Hey guys, it's Abby here with Hostirian. We are just about done with our studio, and what pairs really well with the studio is an on-air light. I'm gonna show you how to make one of these today with just a few simple items. And one of the coolest things about this light is that it turns on. This project is super simple. The items that you're going to want are this 5.5-inch light. We actually got ours from Amazon. You're just going to need 4 batteries to install in each one of those areas. We got these from a local craft store. These are just letter stickers, just basic letter stickers. These Velcro pieces came with the light to put up on the wall if you so choose, or if you wanted to use that part of the light to hang it up as well. And we also have this cardinal red spray paint that we used to make our light. I have Brian here with me helping me with the letters. He's just gonna spell on air like we have on the other light. I just brought it inside, and now we're ready to take the letters off. You can already tell that this is going to look amazing. The only thing that we'll need to fix up just a little bit is our letter N. You can tell right there, there's a little paint spot where the letter kind of scrunched up when we were painting. But other than that, it's no big deal. We're just gonna fix that part up, and everything else looks pretty good. So if you're looking for an on-air sign for your at-home studio or studio anywhere, this is a very easy, low-cost DIY project that took literally only a few hours to make, even less than that. So I actually just touched up these letters. As you can see, that spot on our end is no longer there. And when you turn it on, it is not even noticeable. And I also touched up some of these letters as well. What I did was just take some alcohol and a Q-tip, and I just rubbed it on there, and then just kept putting the alcohol on there and rubbed it on there. It wasn't a bad process at all. So if you did end up getting some paint on your letters, not a big deal at all. Just get some alcohol. Ours was 90%. At the beginning of this video, I did mention that you could use the back hook of this light to hang it on the wall. So if you would like to do that, you need to plan your letters accordingly. So as you can see, we did not do that. So if we turn it over like that, you can see that the hook is slightly off. So if we're gonna have the hook on the very front and we turn it over, ours is definitely slightly off. So if you would like to have your hook line up with your letters, definitely do that. If you forgot to do that or don't want to do that, the kit that we got from Amazon, like I mentioned before, comes with some Velcro. So you can also put this Velcro on the back of this, and it will work just as well. You can put it up on your wall, on your door, whatever you want to do, but this Velcro will work just as well, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, honestly guys, this turned out so cool. Thank you so much for watching, and join us next time for more videos here at Hostirian.